Hello everyone. As part of our art series, today we will discuss how game assets are designed. In video games, game assets design refers to the creation and preparation of various digital elements. These assets are essential to the development of a game and including everything from character, environment, and object to user interface elements, sound effect, and music. It is both an artistic and a technical aspects of game development that goes into the creation of a game asset. An important factor in the overall success of a video game is the quality and detail of its assets. Greetings. My name is Koushik. It has been my privilege to create numerous game assets, characters, and immersive environment during my 15 years journey in the industry. Also, my professional path has led me to contribute my expertise to high-profile feature films, commercial, and Hollywood productions. The last few years have seen a change in my career as a 3D instructor. In my current role at Technicolor Creative Studios Academy, I serve as a game assist trainer. Having made the transition into teaching has brought me profound joy, as I find fulfillment in guiding and supporting others in their pursuit of success within a dynamic field of animation. In this art series, you will find an extensive guide covering almost everything you need to know about the game assets creation and the course offered by Technicolor Creative Studios Academy. Here is some answer to few frequently asked questions. It is important to gain a solid foundation in the relevant software and techniques before becoming a game modeler, commercial, or film modeling artist. Having a thorough knowledge of software such as Maya, ZBrush, or Blender for 3D modeling and sculpting is essential. We will study anatomy, object design, architectural principles, and natural elements. It is important to practice regularly in order to improve your skills. Game, VFX, and CGI in the entertainment industry require proficiency in 3D modeling and sculpting software such as Maya, ZBrush, and Max. A knowledge of UVs and texturing is also an added advantage. Creating game assets requires knowledge of sketching and concept art. By using it, you can develop ideas, design characters or scenes, and communicate your creative vision more efficiently. Having the skill can enhance your ability to visualize the planned CGI project. Props and environment for game requires different skill sets and focus. The following are the key difference between these fields and how you can specialize in them. Character modeling. The role of a character modeler is to create 3D representation of game characters, which can be human, animals, or machines. Character modeler need to master anatomy, mesh flow, and personality. Prop modeling. Modelers create 3D objects for games world, such as weapons, furniture, vehicles, and other interactive or non-interactive items. It is important for prop modelers to have a good understanding of object design, texturing, and material rendering. Additionally, they must be able to optimize assets for real-time rendering. Environment modeling. 3D environment modelers are responsible for creating the world in which the game is set, including landscape, building, foliage, and other scenes. To be a successful environment modeler, one must be proficient in landscape and architectural design, terrain generation, terrain texturing, and scenes compositing. The assets must be optimized for performance in the game engine. Develop your understanding of environment modeling by practicing and creation of both nature and urban environment. Demo reel for games assets should showcase your best work in games, commercial, and movies. Describe each step in detail and show wireframe. There should be 100% accuracy and neatness in the work. To demonstrate your process, make sure your reel is well edited and including breakdowns of your work. For the viewers to remain engaged, keep the reel short, usually around 1 to 2 minutes. you should open and feedback and constantly update your reel to ensure that the feature the best work and most recent work you have produced. Through intensive training, the Technicolor Creative Studio Academy prepares artists for a career in visual effects. Through the guidance of the trainers who have real-life production experience, you will master skill and gain valuable knowledge about the production pipeline. A variety of training programs are offered at our academy, lasting about 3 months for 10 to 12 weeks. As one of the world's leading visual effects companies, Technicolor provided guidance, mentoring, and training to artists to ensure the attain and highest industry standards. Our courses prepare you for a career in visual effects by providing you with the opportunity to work with industry experts and develop your creative, technical, and soft skills. Additionally, the course provided a great opportunity to gain experience and expertise that can be applied to your career as a progress. Thank you. I hope this was helpful and excites you about game assist design. I am also looking forward to meeting you at the Learn, Create and Grow webinar on game assist design on 28 November 2023. You can find more details on the webinar and the academy by clicking the link in the description. Meanwhile, we wish you a happy and productive time working on game assets.